Welcome to your short yoga practice, where today we'll have some fun and look after our wrists by not using our hands. We'll get started on our back. See if you can get there without using those hands, sometimes easier said than done. Lying your whole spine down with the feet flat and the arms alongside the body. You can close the eyes just to take one deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose. And let's inhale the arms up towards the sky, tickle the sky with those fingertips, and then exhale the arms overhead, pulling them long. Inhale them back towards the sky, and exhale alongside the body. Just one more time like this. Arms go up on the inhale, exhale them behind you, and back up on the inhale, and along the body on the exhale. Now we'll do the same thing with the arms, but adding in some leg motions. So on the inhale, the right knee comes in towards the chest. Then exhale the left leg long. Inhale, left foot plants. And exhale, right foot plants. Same thing, same side. Right knee comes in. Left leg goes long as the arms reach overhead. Replant that left foot. And replant the right. And second side, so the left knee comes towards the heart as we reach for the sky. Right leg goes long, reaching overhead. Right foot plants. And left foot plants. Last time. Left knee in. Left leg long. Left foot goes down. And right foot comes down. Beautiful. We'll transition towards a kneeling posture now. See again if you can do so without your hands. Smiles are certainly optional, but they do help. We're moving towards child's pose, so sitting back towards your heels, widening the knees, and then folding the upper body forwards, turning the palms of the hands towards the sky. So a little bit more external rotation in the shoulders than when the palms are down. Returning to your breath. Lifting up to all fours, but careful now. We want all fours this time on our forearms. We'll trace some cat and cows. So inhaling to arch the spine and exhaling to round as you bring the chin towards the chest. You can take that a few times at your own pace, noticing that it's probably quite a bit more challenging on the forearms. More of an unusual position for today. And let your spine come back towards neutral. Walk the knees a little bit closer to the elbows so you can sit back down towards the heels. And once more, we'll inhale the arms up overhead and exhale to twist towards the right, leaning yourself back, almost touching the right fingertips to the mat, but not quite, before coming back to center. And again, the arms go up, twist towards your left, reach the arms away from each other, lean it back without touching the mat, coming back to the twist and back to center. Just one more time on each side. So as we lift up, twisting from the waist towards the right, leaning it back, come back to your twist, and return to your starting position one last time here. Raise the arms, open them up as you twist left and lean back. And let everything go. Really nicely done. We'll move towards standing posture, but really intentionally here. So raise up to a tall kneel first. Set your right foot down, stand up, and then softly set your left knee down on the mat and return to that tall kneel. And second side, so plant the left foot, squeeze the glutes to stand up, gently set the right knee down, and then the left, and this time we really will stand up. So pick one side, stand your way up, rolling the shoulders back, and once again reaching the arms up overhead so we can lean towards the left. Nice side body stretch here. Coming back up to center, and leaning over towards the right. Let that go. We'll widen the feet now, so standing wide-legged posture. Reach the arms up, kind of our theme of the day, and we'll trace some snow angels. So keeping the elbows really straight here as you draw some semicircles with the arms. You could even play around with closing the eyes here, keeping the abs tight and the glutes to help you with balance. And then raise the arms up, turn the heels inward so that we can exhale to squat down as we pull the elbows towards the ribs and then stand back up. And keep going with that, transitioning in and out of goddess squat a few times. And then twist yourself over to the right, stay in that squat, twisting left, back to center and stand back up. Shake things off a little bit. You can toe ball heel the feet in closer together. We'll return to that tall kneel position, so pick your favorite knee, softly set it down. Coming to any comfortable seat that you like, whether cross-legged or if something different works better for you. Shake things off. Bring your chin towards your chest and keep it there as you trace some backward circles with your shoulders. Really nice way to wake that area up. And then just take one big circle with the neck going in one direction. And then reversing that circle. Sit yourself back up tall. Bring the fingertips onto your shoulders now to twist right once more, looking over the back shoulder. Releasing to twist left. And back to center. Beautifully done. Take a look at your hands. Thank them for all their hard work they do every day. If you would like to work on those hands just a little bit, I have a 5-minute practice perfect for wrist pain that I will leave on the screen. Otherwise, I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a beautiful day.